Now we're over at the Cliff Gazebo, one of the most popular venue locations, of course, for Hyatt Ziva Cancun for weddings. If you have researched anything at all, you know this picture, this gazebo is in all of the photos, so everybody wants this. You're going to get it with the Zama and the luxury package, correct. So if you have the Zama or luxury package, this Cliff Gazebo can be yours. If not, there is a premium cost to have this location. But of course, you're surrounded by the ocean. It will hold 250 people for your wedding ceremony.